Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, in our session, we have talked about molecular diagnosed syndrome or some kinds of disease. Generally, what is the genetic disorder? There are some number of different types of genetic disorder, which is the single gene inheritance, multifractionary inheritance, chromosome abnormalities, mitochondrial inheritance. The symptoms of signs of the Down syndromes are the baby with the Down syndrome has a hallmark appearance. However, every aspect this approach does not need to be present at the phenotype that way genes make the child and can be markedly different for the each patient. The symptoms are a small head, short neck, flat face, upward slanting eyes, ear, flat palm, poison, lower, normal, tongue produce, hand tends to be wide, short finger, some single reflection creates in the palm, joint tends to more flexible muscles, and single gene inheritance disorders are the single gene inheritance disorder called as a Mendelian or monogenetic inheritance. Changes or mutation that occur in a DNA sequence of single genes cause these types of inheritance. There are thousands of known single gene disorder. These disorders are known as a monogenetic disorder, and single gene disorders have different patterns of the genetic inheritance, which is autosomal dominant inheritance, in which only one copy of a defective genes is necessary to cause the condition. Autosomal recessive inheritance, in which two copies of the defective gene are necessary to cause the condition. And the X-linked, third one is the X-linked inheritance, in which the defective gene is present on the female on X chromosome, and X-linked inheritance may be dominant or a recessive. Some example of single gene disorder includes like cystic fibrosis, alpha and beta thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, Marfan syndrome, fragile X syndrome, Huntington disease, heterochromatosis. Common multifractional gene inheritance disorders are generally called as a complex and polygenic inheritance. Multifunctional inheritance disorder are caused by the combination of environment factor and mutation in multiple genes. For the example, different genes that influence breast cancer successibility have been found in a chromosome in number 6, 1, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 22. Some common chronic diseases are multifractionally disorder. Example of multifractionally inheritance include like some heart disease, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, diabetes, cancer, obesity. Chromosomal abnormalities are generally distinct structure made up for DNA and protein are located into the nucleus of each cell. Because chromosomes are the carrier of the genetic material, abnormalities in chromosome number of structure can be resulted in disease. Chromosomal abnormalities typically occur due to the problem with the cell division. For example, Down syndrome, sometimes referred to the Down syndrome or trisomy of 21, is the common genetic disorder that occurs when a person has 3 copies of chromosome 21. There are many other chromosome abnormalities, which is Turner syndrome, Turner syndrome held on 45 chromosome number of 45 chromosome, and Klinefelter syndrome held on the chromosome number 47 XXY, and the Cry-to-Chet syndrome or the cry of the cat syndrome 46XX or XY. Disease may also occur because of chromosomal translocation, in which portion of the two chromosomes are exchanged. And next one is the mitochondrial gene genetic inheritance disorder. This types of genetic disorder is caused by the mutation in non-nuclear DNA mitochondrial. Mitochondria are small, round, or rod-like organelles that are involved in cellular respiration and found in a cytoplasm of plant and animal cell. Each mitochondrial may contain 5 to 10 circular pieces of DNA, since egg cells, but not sperm cell, keep their mitochondrial during fertilization. Mitochondrial DNA is always inherited from the female parents. Example of the mitochondrial disease are labral hereditary optical atrophy and the eye disease, myoclonic epilepsy with the ragdie fibers, and the mitochondrial canalopathy, lactic acidosis, stroke-like episodes, which is called molasses, or a rare form of dementia. So this is all about the different types of molecular based disease, and you can identify with these diseases by the PCR and different types of electrophoresis and different types of PCR. You can identify these diseases and through run the samples and isolated analysis the samples. And if we have talk about the exam point of view question, they can ask what the uh, example of the mitochondrial disease, genetic disorders, and what is the Turner syndrome, what is the Down syndrome, the symptoms of Down syndrome, and the symptoms of Turner syndrome. And as much as question asked in examination, what is the Cry-to-Chet syndromes, and what is the chromosomal abnormalities finding, uh, and different types of multifractional inheritance disease examples. So these kind of questions will be asked in your exams, and they can ask some disorders like single gene inheritance disorder. So you know all these things. Thank you so much.